Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the better player to your Firestick in 2026. The whole process is pretty simple and will take you only a couple of minutes. And the very first step is getting the app code downloader to your Firestick. You can get it totally for free from the official Amazon App Store, of course. You just need to go to search on your device, open the search bar, and start typing downloader in here. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it then, and here's that orange application, which you gotta get. But then after you got the downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader, we just gotta go to the settings. So click that button with a gear icon, scroll down and open My Fire TV. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options, of course. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that is the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That is in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So when you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. You open them, make sure to turn on the 8-bit debugging, then head to install unknown apps, and from here just locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So we just go back to a list of apps in your Fire Stick, here it is, and now there you'll see downloader. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All we have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to US right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on your device, open it, and then head straight into the Downloader application. So you open it up as well, and now basically what you gotta do is go to search bar and enter a code, which will be 3572383. Again, 3572383. That is the code you have to enter. Then just click go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. and the download of the app has started now. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on the connection speed. Then just click install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So simply click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And it's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then we go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, open it, and now there at the bottom you will find the Bear Player, which we just got. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN for free. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.